The Samsung Galaxy S22 series is going to be the next non-folding flagship phone from Samsung, as the Galaxy Note lineup appears to be on a break. The Galaxy S22 will come with 65-watt fast charging, which is the fastest for the Galaxy series, and one-of-a-kind 200MP camera, which will be developed in partnership with Olympus. You are watching Stuffbox, and this is a preview for the next flagship from Samsung, that is, the Samsung Galaxy S22. So, let us begin. In January, Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S21 series. Similarly, the S22 lineup will be launched at the beginning of next year. The Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra would carry these model numbers. These model numbers reveal that all three Galaxy S22 models will come with 5G connectivity as standard, which is to be expected, as all the 2022 flagships will be 5G ready. The Galaxy S22 lineup could be slightly smaller and thinner than the S21. The S22 is speculated to come in three sizes: 6.06, 6.55, and 6.81 inches. In comparison, the standard Galaxy S21 is 6.2 inches, the S21 Plus is 6.7 inches, and the S21 Ultra is 6.8 inches. Additionally, only the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have an LTPO display, meaning it's likely to be the only model with a variable refresh rate. It might also be the only one with a glass back, as the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus will apparently be switched to plastic, with the standard S21 already being plastic. After keeping the camera option stagnant for the Galaxy S20 and Galaxy S21, Samsung may upgrade its camera selection for the Galaxy S22. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is rumored to come with a 200MP main camera. If the speculation proves to be true, this would be the highest pixel count available for a Samsung phone. The Galaxy S21 Ultra has a 108MP wide-angle camera, in comparison. The camera gossip comes after a teaser tweet shared by Samsung Exynos, the electronic company's division for chipmaking, in March, flaunting a 200MP phone camera. The upgrade could be coming as a result of a potential partnership with Olympus. Leaker, Ice Universe, however, speculates the upcoming Galaxy S22 Ultra could feature a more polished version of Samsung's third-generation 108MP camera sensor. Notably, some refinement in camera performance would be welcome, as the likes of the iPhone 12 Pro, Google Pixel 5, and Oppo Find X3 Pro set the bar high for smartphone photography over the past 12 months. And by the time the Samsung Galaxy S22 arrives, it will likely need to square off against the iPhone 13 and Google Pixel 6. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 isn't likely to be released this year, and it may even be gone for good. So the Galaxy S22 will need to deliver a serious next-generation flagship experience to battle its rivals. For the front camera, there were rumors that it will feature an under-display camera, as Samsung has filed patents for the same, but we don't expect it to be happening, as there is a lot of work that needs to be done and refine the technology so that it can be included in a flagship smartphone without compromising on the quality of photos. We don't know much about the battery yet, but Samsung itself has confirmed that it won't be including chargers in the box with future smartphones, so you should expect to buy a separate charger alongside your Samsung flagship if you're not already equipped with one. One piece of information that has emerged about the charging speed, that is, Samsung is testing 45-watt and 65-watt powering. Either would be a big improvement on the 25-watt of the S21 series, and the latter would put the new phones on par with their competitors, as 65-watt is becoming the norm for premium Android phones. The Galaxy S22 could be getting a speed boost. Leaker, Ice Universe speculates the new flagship phone could be equipped with an improved Qualcomm chip, the Snapdragon 895. In comparison, the Galaxy S21 comes equipped with the Snapdragon 888. The bump in processing power is rumored to be paired with a boost in graphics. The Galaxy S22 could come with an AMD GPU, as a result of a partnership between Samsung and the chip giant. The Galaxy S22 may also come with an active fan mode to cool down the phone during gaming or other times of intensive usage, according to Dutch blog Let's Go Digital. It also indicates that this phone will be a gaming powerhouse. We anticipate that Samsung will keep the prices similar to the Galaxy S21 lineup. The company reduced the cost for all three models by $200, and we don't see prices going back up. So if Samsung stays consistent, the Galaxy S22 will cost $799, the Galaxy S22 Plus will be $999, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be priced at $1,199. Do hit the like button if you liked the video, and let us know in the comments what feature you would like to see in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22. More cool stuff is coming on the channel, just stay tuned.